Hello everyone. Today our class is about may. It's one of the important auxiliary verbs. While speaking, we will have to use this auxiliary verb. In this class, we'll learn how to apply may in a sentence and also its different uses. First of all, we can learn how to apply may in a sentence. It's very simple. Subject plus may plus V1. I shall tell you some examples. He may go. Here we can see subject plus may plus V1. He may go. She may call me. May plus V1. Call me. Manu may come. Hiba may take it. Here you can find one thing, that may plus V1 has been used. To form its negative sentence, use not with may. He may come, he may not come. She may call me, she may not call me. Manu may go out, Manu may not go out. To form its question, use may first. That means he may go, may he go. He may not go, may not he go. Hiba may take it, may Hiba take it. Hiba may not take it, may not Hiba take it. She may use it, may she use it. She may not use it, may not she use it. Now we can learn the uses of this auxiliary verb. To ask for permission. We can use may to ask for permission. We will have to ask for permission to meet our needs. When we construct sentences using may to ask for permission, it will be more formal. For example, may I go? Here I ask for permission. It's very formal. May I ask you a question? Here also I ask for permission. May we use your car? May I sit here? To give permission. When we make a sentence using may to give permission, it's very polite. For example, you may come now. Here, I permit a person to come. You may sit here or go. Here also you can find one thing, that I give permission. You may use my car. You may use this chair. Expressing a wish. We can use may to express a wish. For example, may you get a good job. Here it's my wish. May this walk be good. May you meet him. Here you can find one thing, that may has been used to express a wish. Expressing possibility. May can be used to express possibility. For example, he may come now. Here I express a possibility. Your bus may come now. She may call you. They may ask you. This problem may be solved in different ways.